Jai Srimanarayana. 27th sloka of 7th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Ichchadvesha samuthena dvandvamohena bharata सर्वभूतानि सम्मोहं सर्गे यान्ति परन्तप। ॐ Start fighting against with all your mental tendencies if they are driving you away from Sri Krishna Paramatma. Get out of all the delusion and start feeling joy in communion with Sri Krishna Paramatma and start feeling misery at separation from Sri Krishna Paramatma. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha." Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall start fighting against with all my mental tendencies if they are driving me away from you. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall get out of all the delusion and start feeling joy in communion with you and start feeling misery at separation from you. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टू श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टू नरनारायण चतुर्मुख ब्रह्म सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयम् उदीरयेत्. In Srimad Bhagavatam 6th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Savanakandadar Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra," saying that, "O Parikshin Narendra, Visvarupa teaching Narayana Kavacha Mantram to Devendra." From that Kavacha Mantram, today is 7th sloka. Let us understand the meaning, and then while meditating upon that meaning, let us chant the sloka. Dhanvantari, who is the master of all the doctors, such Dhanvantari, Sriman Narayana, who is in the form of Dhanvantari, may protect me from all kind of diseases. And Srimannarayana, who is in the form of Dhanvantari, may keep all bad food things away from me. All those bad things which can destroy my health, such Srimannarayana, who is in the form of Dhanvantari, may keep all those food things away from me. Like that, he may protect me from all kind of diseases. Then Rishabhadeva, who conquered Manas, who could endure heat and cold, pleasure and pain and all those things. Such Rishabhadeva may protect me from not being affected by pleasure and pain, heat and cold and other things. Now Yajna, the Srimannarayana, who is in the form of Yajna, may protect me from all kind of blamings and accusations done by people. And then Balabhadra, Balarama may protect me from all those dangerous situations which are created by cruel people. And now Adisesha, may Adisesha protect me from all kind of dangerous, poisonous snakes, and also from the snakes which holds revenge. Like that, may Adisesha protect me from all kind of snakes. This is how Visvarupa teaching. Now let us chant the sloka while meditating upon this meaning. Dhanvantarihi Bhagavan Patu Apathyat Dvandvat Bhayat Rishabhaha Nirjitatma Yajñascha lokat avatat janantat balaha ganat krodhavashat ahindraha. Dhanvantarihi Bhagavan patu apathyat Dvandvat bhayat Rishabhaha nirjitatma Yajñascha lokat avatat janantat balaha ganat krodhavasat ahindraha. Om. Like that Visvarupa teaching Narayana Kavacha Mantramu to Devendra. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Amarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 7th chapter, 27th sloka. Ichchadvesha samuthena dvandvamohena bharata sarvabhutani sammoham सर्गे यान्ति परन्तप। इच्छाद्वेषसमुत्थेन द्वन्द्वमोहेन भारत सर्वभूतानि सम्मोहं सर्गे यान्ति परन्तप। श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव। सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। जय श्रीमन्नारायण।